Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Log into Godaddy and open the domain manager, then have your cPanel credentials ready. Once done, copy the cPanel name server or hosting IP. You will need it to point DNS. Make sure to back up any existing DNS records so you can restore them if needed. Now navigate to Godaddy's DNS settings for the domain you want to add. This first step prepares everything so you can connect the domain to your cPanel, hosting smoothly. Next, update DNS. Either set the domain's name servers to your hosting provider or edit the record to the cPanel server IP. Propagation can take up to 48 hours, but often completes sooner. Then in cPanel, go to Domains and choose Add-on Domains or Aliases depending on whether you need a separate site. Enter the domain name, pick a document root, and optionally create an FTP account for file access. This links the domain to the correct folder, so your site files will serve correctly. Finally, verify the setup. Check DNS propagation with a DIG or DNS checker and remember TTL delays. Once DNS points correctly, upload a simple index. HTML to the document root to confirm the site serves. Make sure SSL is enabled, use Auto SSL in cPanel, or install a certificate so browsers don't block the site. If you see errors, recheck name server entries, the record IP, and that you set the correct document root. If issues persist, contact your host with error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.